Guess what? This morning I woke up feeling absolutely terrible. Nothing felt like it was working out. It seemed like everything I was doing was going wrong. And this is the kind of days when you need community and support. And this is the kind of days when I need community of support. Especially as a mom who's living in a different country, in a foreign country where my friends and family are far away. And that's one of the reasons why I started the Flexible Income Club. It's a place for us women to get together, to share our information, and to share and support with each other, keep each other accountable, especially for the women who want to earn their own income from home, the women who are like me, they want to start a side hustle or who have started a side hustle and want to know the best ways that they can carry on and create, and the best ways that they can market, and what is the latest information on getting more leads. So all of these things we like to cover in the Flexible Income Club. So if this sounds like something that is relevant to you and you would like to learn more and be a part of our community inside the Flexible Income Club, then come and join us over there. The link is in my bio, not in my bio, in my description, and there you'll be able to sign up. Who's ready to break free from feeling stuck, whether it's in your finances, your confidence, or your dreams, you're in the right place. Here's the truth. It's not too late to start something new. You do not need to have it all figured out, and you absolutely can create income and freedom on your own terms without working yourself into the ground. So inside my Facebook group, you'll get access to live trainings that show you simple and proven ways to boost your income, a supportive group of women who actually get you and cheer you on, and step-by-step strategies that help you stop spinning your wheels and start seeing real results. And let me tell you, inside the group, we are already seeing incredible results. Some women, like for example Lisa, she started from zero and she's made over $500 in just a few weeks. Now, this is a disclaimer. No results are the same for everybody. Everybody has different results. But we also have Michelle, who unlocked her confidence. It wasn't even monetary. She unlocked her confidence and launched her first offer after years of hesitation. And then there's Sarah, who went from paying all her debt off to finally taking her dream vacation. So if this is something for you, remember, inside my Flexible Income Club Facebook group is where you get to be a part of all of this. So the link is in my description. Join us there. Look forward to seeing you.